around too long. Gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane. They showed up out of nowhere, damn, now I got a halo. So keep up, I'm saying, but they praying I keep up. Don't let up on me. I know you're waiting so patiently. I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place. Only thing I'm missing though, seeing you face to face. Gotta tell you what you need to know. Tell you what you need to know. That you are all I want. That you are all I want. Please don't leave. Cause the time is running out. Yeah, the lives are running out. Don't leave. I'll explain and show you how for you. All day, got me going insane. I parlay every second when I go into your lane. I need more. Limitless space, I'm out of my reach. You're too perfect, girl, you fit every niche. I'm like, can you even be so cold? Yeah, can I be the one you hold? Cause I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place, yeah. Only thing I'm missing though is seeing you face to face. But I tell you what you...
My husband is sleeping right now, and so I have to be quiet. I am going to Pilates with a new friend of mine that I've been wanting to go to Pilates with her for a very long time. So I'm finally happy our schedules came together. I think we're good. It is cold outside. It is bright. Good morning and happy new year. I'm going to be saying that all of January. I'm so excited that now I can talk out loud. My husband is still so jet lagged from Colorado that he is still sleeping, and that's fine. I'm going to go to Pilates with a friend of mine, as I've said and I've mentioned. I'm gonna go to Pilates with her. I've been wanting to go to Pilates with her and hang out with her for a while because she is just such a sweetheart, and I love having sweethearts and sweet people in my life. So we're headed to Miami Pilates Aventura, which is now my favorite studio because it is so absolutely gorgeous that you can't help but want to be there. I'm finally back from Pilates. I had such an amazing time. So our vlog is done. We have completely done all of the laundry. Everyone is unpacked and my house is really just put everything back to normal. So I am just finishing up some quick meal prep. I'm gonna take the ground beef that I cooked and I'm gonna make it into like a bolognese. Super simple marinara sauce, the meat, because the meat is so well seasoned that that's what's really gonna give life to the pasta. And some spaghetti is cooking. And I want to show you what my husband got me while he was in Colorado. So everywhere he goes, he has to bring me something back. And then he saw this at a store called Daiso. Maybe people know, but it's an earthen pot that you can cook in. And you can rest your chopsticks on here, like so. I'm doing it wrong. It's not gonna be right now. Something like this. He won in the white elephant, where people can steal each other's stuff. And you know what? You can never have enough knives. And actually, all of these knives I wish I already had. And your girl already bought a new bread knife that she cannot return on Amazon. So yeah, today's a great day. It's been a great couple of days, and it will continue to be so. Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, ooh yeah. Do, 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 do. Look at that. For my husband and for me. Tomorrow I'm gonna eat good. We are gonna eat good.